Yes, so it's harvest season. CCC Calvary parish Lagos State invite the general to their 13 adult harvest Thanksgiving service. Star harvest of open heaven 2022 is going to be awesome. See, first program of the event, we're going to the Lord Superior Evangelist Prophet S.A. Olariwaju, the founder of Calvary parish, to the 27th August at 12 p.m. Don't miss it. Harvest Monday 29 August revival program by 6. Ministry Evangelist Temitope Adia. That same Monday, Headman Settlement VG by 10 p.m. till dawn. Ever on Tuesday 30 August, Evangelist Israel will be ministering. Wednesday 31st, revival program, Ministry Evangelist Matthew Agboinu. On Thursday 1st, program for the widow by 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. That same Thursday by 10 p.m. night will be new moon service. 2nd of September, musical night by 10 p.m. till dawn. Invited choirs, CCC Imole Ayoiba Parish 1, Majemolua Parish Iba, Agbo Igbala Parish Iba, Oluwaseunalayo Parish Iba, Temidayo Parish Idimu, Hallelujah Parish Okoko, Imole Central Parish Okoko, Ogolua Central Olofe Parish Ipaye, and CCC Christ Glory Parish Iba will be the invited choirs. Guest artists of the night: Evangelist Adini Fagbo, Adifle, Evangelist Tunde Savage. One of the guest artists again, Lady Evangelist Modupe Olakunade Opalade. The MC of the program, MC Mayor E, will be anchoring the program. It's going to be superb. Don't miss it. Saturday 3rd September, sanitation, environmental sanitation 10 a.m. Sunday, harvest of open heaven start by 10 a.m. in the morning. Don't miss it. Announcer most senior evangelist Olariwaju. Any inquiry, call this number 003408 6624 or 003815 9174. 2022, don't miss it.